name's Gabriele Moretti, and I'm the founder and Managing Director of Amoretti's Restaurants. I've been in this industry for about 28 years now. Started from the age of 13, in and out of restaurants from a young age, and I loved it. I absolutely got the buzz for it. Became an executive chef at the age of 26, and then at the age of 27 I decided it was time to open up my own venues. So Amoretti's, we're primarily based in the West. I've got one in Abbotsbury and got one here in Narellan. So we do modern Italian. We go to the fish markets ourselves and we're sourcing whatever's available that morning, and we're actually buying off the market floor like tunas, kingfish, all that type of stuff to really bring a different dining experience. Trying to keep up with bookings before Now Book It was an absolute nightmare. My phone was on 24/7. I was diverting the work phone to my mobile phone, trying not to miss out on bookings. It was not allowing me to switch off at all. The biggest problem was you're staffing up your venue for a big night and then you've got no-shows. They were the ones that were hurting, only because of the venue where it's located. It's not a pass-by traffic, so we weren't getting a lot of walk-ins. We were primarily based on reservations. My experience with Now Book It has been absolutely phenomenal. I highly recommend it. I wish it was around back when I first started at Amoretti's. It's made things so much easier. It's given my time back. I don't need someone to take telephone bookings anymore. Everything's done through a system that's protected, it's secured. Customer support's been amazing. I'm a hands-on person, I'm a restaurateur, I'm not really tech savvy. So whenever I do make the call and I need something done, it's always done simple and it's done automatically. Another feature that I absolutely love is our gift cards. Customers can go, they can just jump on our website and purchase a gift card. It's another stream of income that comes in without doing anything. If anyone's 50-50 about Now Book It, I would say get in contact with Now Book It, do a demo, because I can guarantee you'll be locked in right afterwards.